Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to enable USB debugging on any Android phone. Before we get started, consider subscribing to the channel and hit that like button. To enable USB debugging on any Android phone, you first need to enable developer options on your phone. For that, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll all the way down to the end of the page and tap on About Phone. Here, tap on Software Information. In this menu, locate Build Number. You will tap it 7 times. Once you do, enter your phone passcode. You will now see that the Developer Options menu is now enabled. Now, go back to the main page and you will see the Developer Options. Tap on it. Here, tap the search icon at the top. After that, type in USB debugging. Then, select the first result. Finally, enable the toggle next to USB debugging and then hit OK to confirm. If you have any questions about this, do leave them in the comments and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.